Screen is visible to everyone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will continue the examples of homogeneous system of equations. And again, same type of examples we have to discuss on the parameters which are involved in the equation as a coefficient of x, y, or z. This is two equations and two variable system given in the matrix form, that is ax equal to 0. Homogeneous system. We have to discuss. We know homogeneous system is always consistent, means has always solutions. So always solutions means it may have unique solutions, that is trivial solution, and infinite solution means more than one solutions. So for what lambda it will happen, that we have to discuss. So I'll write given matrix A. I'll write given matrix A 1 3 3 lambda, and this is your leading one. Below that we have to perform 0. So on second row minus 3 times first row. This is the only operations that we need to do. So 1 3 0 3 minus 3, and what you get here? Lambda minus
9.
9. Okay. So that's it. एका स्टेप मध्ये आन्सर येणार त्याचं. If lambda minus 9 is 0, that is value of lambda is 9, then the rank of the coefficient matrix is 1, which is less than 2 the number of variables and has infinite number of solutions. Rank less than number of variables, because number of variables are 2 here, and has infinite number of solutions. And if it is asked find solutions, then you can find. But it is just for what lambda. So when lambda is 9, the system has infinite number of solutions. And if lambda is not 9, that means this number is non-zero, and we can divide by it to make 1. Then what is the rank of A? Rank of A is 2, which is equal to the number of variables. Then the given Ax equal to 0 has unique solution. That is trivial solution. Here for homogeneous system, here unique solutions means it has only one solutions, and we know that 0 0 is the always solution. So 0 0 is the only solutions. There is no other solutions for this. Let us have some exercise example here. Example मध्ये कोणाला काय अडचण असू नये. I will write another example then. Solve the following system of homogeneous equations. Solve the following systems of homogeneous equations. Okay, I'll write one by one. The first system is 3x minus y plus z equal to 0. Second is minus 15x plus 6y minus 5z equal to 0. And third is 5x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 0. We have to solve this. So write this in matrix form. You can write this in the matrix form. Coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z. No need to augment that 0. Minus 15, 6, minus 5. 5 minus 2, 2. Now our target is to make leading one. When you divide by 3, then it may create some problem. So what you do, will instead of dividing these, I know 3, when I multiply by 3, 2 and subtract it from 5. Now 15 is multiple of 3, that's why I cannot use second row, I have to use third row. We'll get 1 here. So what is meaning of this? R1 multiplied by 2 minus R3. This will perform on R1. So on first row, so that we'll get 1 here. On first row, I will take 2 times R1. That is 3 into 2, 6, and 6 subtracted by 5. So should get 1 there. That is using of the third row. And don't perform any other operations. So 1 to get 1 here, we did this. Tell me the rest calculations. बाकीचे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स तुम्ही सांगू शकता काय येतील इथं आता 6 minus 5 लिहिलं आता इथं 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो -2 + 2 या ठिकाणी काय येईल 0 येतं ना
Yes, sir.
-1 multiplied by -2 + 2 कारण मायनस + 2 तर या ठिकाणी 0 येते या ठिकाणी काय येतंय इथं पण 0च येतंय
0च येते
मग सोपं झालं आपल्याला ठीक आहे आता आपण सेकंड रो फर्स्ट एंट्री 0 करणार आहोत हा आपला लीडिंग वन आलेला आहे आपल्याला नाउ ऑन सेकंड रो प्लस 15 टाइम्स फर्स्ट रो आता या 0 मुळे खाली काय चेंज होणार नाही आपल्याला माहिती आहे and on third row minus 5 times first row. So first row no change, but change in this -15 plus 15 0. 6 plus 0 times 15, it is 6 minus 5 as it is 0 minus 2 2 because of that 2 0 there is no change. So this is the first leading one. Now there is no option. आता इथं 6 आणि 2 एकमेकांच्या मल्टिपल मध्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी 1 आणणं शक्य नाही या ठिकाणी तर आपण काय करणार डिवाइड बाय 6 शिवाय आपल्याला ऑप्शन नाही so 1/6 second row to get 1 there so 1 0 0 0 1 minus 5/6 0 and why don't you divide by -2 to third row because these two are same 1 and -1. Okay, what next we have to make 0 below here. This is third row, it is not leading one, but for this we have to make 0 below there. So on third row minus second row and I will write it 1 0 0 0 1 minus 5/6 0 1 minus 1 and you have to write here -1 upon minus करतोय ना so -1 plus 5/6 so what is the calculations -6 plus 5 that is -1/6 just take
-1/6
okay and now we have to make this -1/6 as 1 by multiplying by 6 not 6 minus 6 is multiplied to third row 1 0 0 0 1 minus 5/6 0 0 1 we can convert this into reduced row echelon form so what I will do on second row no need to convert but here we can do it R2 plus 6 by 5 times R3 बरोबर ना 5/6 करावं लागेल sorry 5/6 5/6 times R3 will get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 okay what is the rank of this 16 rank काय लिहायची याची reduce additive matrix मध्ये reduce echelon
3
form
3 yes
its rank is 3 so rank of A is 3 which is equal to this is notation for number of variables which is equal to number of variables because 3 are variable so it has unique solution x equal to 0 has unique solution म्हणजे trivial solution कारण trivial solution compulsory असणारच आहे as the only trivial solutions So how solution is given? So write equation form. X plus 0y plus 0z equal to 0. Because इकडे 0 आपण लिहिलेलं नाही तर equation मध्ये आहे. Y equal to 0 and Z equal to 0. This is the only solutions. There is no other non-trivial solutions. So it has only one solution. 0 is the solution of every homogeneous system, and that is the only solution. So I will write second problem here to do. X minus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, 2x plus 5x plus 6z equal to 0. Now definitely this system has infinitely many solutions because 2 rows and 3 variables. So rank will be minimum 2. Maximum rank त्याची 2 असणार आहे किंवा 2 पेक्षा कमी आणि व्हेरिएबलची संख्या 3 आहे म्हणजे याला इन्फायनाइटली सोल्युशन तर आहेच याला. असं मल्टिपल चॉईसला विचारलं की काय ऑप्शन असेल? नो सोल्युशन्स, इन्फायनाइट सोल्युशन्स and unique solution, that is trivial solutions, none of above. You can just guess it. आपल्याला इथं काही सॉल्व करायची गरज नाहीये. We have 3 variables here. 3 variables are given and only 2 equations. So what is highest possible rank of that coefficient matrix? It is 2, if it is. And 2 is always less than number of variables. That's why it has infinite solutions. But if it is asked find the complete solutions, then we have to write in matrix form. So multiple choice questions साठी पूर्ण सॉल्व करायची गरज नसते. जर तुमचे ऑप्शन असतील solution, no solution, has solution, infinite solution, like that. So for this example, by looking at this example, we definitely have infinite solution because its rank will be highest possible 2. And you can see 5 minus 4 is rank is 2 because the 2 by 2 minor first हा जर 2 by 2 minor काढला तर तो काय आहे नॉन झिरो म्हणजे याची रँक 2 आहे फक्त आपल्याला प्रोसिजरली ते प्रूव्ह करायचं. So leading one is there, second row minus 2 times first row. So 1 minus 2 3, 2 minus 2 5 plus 4 9 येतं का ठिकाणी 5 plus 4 9 and what is there 6 minus 6 it will be 0. Okay, and now divide by 9 to second row. Okay, only 2 steps we required. 1 minus 2 3 0 1 0 and leading variables are in the first column and second column. That means no need to fix of that. जिथं leading one नाही तेच आपल्याला फिक्स करायचे लक्षात घ्या. You should fix which are not leading one. or leading one कळत नसेल तर तुम्ही अजून ऑपरेशन्स अप्लाय करू शकता. What operations? Okay, I will perform on first row plus 2 times second row. Only one operation I need to do. 1 0 3 0 1 0. So rank of this coefficient matrix is 2, which is less than 3. The number of variables. I'm using hash for the number of variables. The number of variables. So that means system has infinite solutions. X equal to 0 has infinite solutions, that is more than one solution. More than one solution is nothing but infinite solutions. Infinite solutions and obtained by assigning or fixing by assigning 3 minus 2, that is one variable. 3 minus 2, that is one variable, and we'll come to know by writing the equations. So what is first equation? X plus 3z equal to 0. And the second equations y equal to 0. Now here we will come to know what we have to assign. Y value of y is 0. आपण काय पहिला कॉलम x कोएफिशिएंट्स आहे 1x 0y and 3z equal to 0. इकडचे लिहिलेलं नाही इक्वल टू पण आपल्या राइट हँड साइड 0 असते आपल्याला माहिती आहे. 0x plus 1y plus 0z equal to 0. So you get y equal to 0 from here. You get y equal to 0. You are not going to fix x and y because x and y are leading variable. You are going to fix z. So I can call z as a, where a is any real number and real number has infinite many choices. So what is x then? X is minus 3a. So x is minus 3a, y is 0 and a is z is the solution of ax equal to 0. You can easily check it. What is the multiplication of this? What is original matrix A? Okay, I'll write that matrix A. 1 minus 2 3 2 5 6. 1 minus 2 3 2 5 6. And this is multiplied to x is this, y is this, and z is this. So what is the product? I will write here. 1 multiplied by minus 3a plus minus 2 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by a. Second entry, 2 multiplied by minus 3a plus 5 multiplied by 0 plus 6 multiplied by a. So what is it? Minus 3a plus 3a minus 6a plus 6a. So whatever a, for every a real number. So in this way, a तुम्ही 0 घेऊ शकता, तर 0 असणारच आहे. 0 घेतलं 3 0 येतात. a तुम्ही 1 घेऊ शकता, 2 घेऊ शकता, 3 घेऊ शकता, pi घेऊ शकता, √2 घेऊ शकता. a is any real number and we have infinitely many way to choose a. That is what I am saying, that it has infinitely many solutions. For parameter a, any real number, we get infinitely many solutions. When you put a equal to 1, it is called in future as basic solution. a equal to 1 घेतला तर -301 हे सुद्धा काय त्याचं सोल्युशन आहे. अशा प्रकारे फक्त एकच तो सॅटिस्फाय करत नाही, तर भरपूर वेक्टर्स आहेत, भरपूर XYZ आहेत, जे काय करतात, दिलेलं सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन्स काय करतात, सॅटिस्फाय करतात. Okay, I'll ask following example to do as exercise. Just right now you have to write down this example. Example number 3, 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 0. This is first equation. Second equation, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 0. Third equation, x minus 4y plus 5z equal to 0. This is C part. Next, D part, x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, x minus y plus z equal to 0, x minus 2y equal to 0, and x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. 4 equations and 3 unknowns. Definitely highest rank will be 3, but depends on when you solve it. Next, x plus y plus z plus t equal to 0. This is the first equation. X plus 3y minus 2z plus t equal to 0. This is second equation. 2x minus 3z, that means y coefficient is 0. And the last equation, x plus y plus t equal to 0. One more example for this. X plus y minus z equal x plus y minus z plus t equal to 0. X minus y plus 2z minus t equal to 0. 3x plus y plus t equal to 0. This is F equations. All these you need to do homework. हे सर्व तुम्हाला होमवर्क म्हणून करायचे. घेतले लिहून. Okay, I have another type of example that we can solve here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or H, okay, whatever it is. X plus y plus 3z plus 6t plus 9w equal to 0. Only solve this. How we can get solution of this? Only one equations, and it is asked. This type of questions may come from MCQ any else. So 1, 3, 6, and 9. And this is the leading one. No need to make it 1. And there is no second row, so that is the echelon form. So this is echelon form. This is echelon form. You can say it is row reduced echelon form. So what is the rank of this? Can anybody tell me what is the rank of this?
1.
Rank is 1. And number of variables? How many variables are there?
5.
So there are 5 variables. So means its rank is 1. We have to fix, assign to find complete solution. Definitely it has infinite solution. To find complete solution, assign 5 minus 1, that is 4. That is 4 variables. So 4 variables are free variables. That जे variable assign करतो त्याला free variable म्हणतो आणि जे dependent त्याला आपण dependent variable म्हणतो. One variable is dependent among 5. So leading आपल्याला fix करायचं नाही. हा leading variable आहे x, y, z, t आणि w. This is the leading variable. We are not going to assign the value to leading variable. That means we have to assign value to these 4 variables. We have to assign value to these 4 variables. So I will assign, okay, I will assign from y equal to a, z equal to b, t equal to c, and w equal to d, where you have any choice a, b, c, d काही पण घ्या, real number. That means it has infinite solution. So what is value of x then? हे सगळं घेतलं तर x ची किंमत काय आहे? x हा dependent, leading variable is dependent on free variable. Free variables हे independent असतात. So x equal to what? Minus y, minus 3z, minus 6t, minus 9w. I am putting just value of x, y, z, t and w. So this is x. So solution of this is, the solution to ax equal to 0 is, so minus a, minus 3b, minus 6c, minus 9d. And now y is a, z is b, t is c, and w is d. So this is the solution x, y, z, t. And where your a, b, c, d are the frees, you have choice from the real number. So only one row is there. That this type of questions also, how many free variables are there? It is also asked as objective type questions. So it's if system has rank 1 and variables are 5, then 5 minus 4 are the 5 minus 1, that is 4, are the free variable. And we never assign value to leading variable. You should keep in mind. You have to keep this logic in mind. Don't assign value to leading variable, assign to non-leading one. Because leading is dependent on non-leading one. That we have to understand first. Okay. I will have next example. Till then you can mark your attendance. Mark attendance. For what value of lambda? For what value of lambda does the system, for what value of lambda does the system, now instead of 2 by 2 we'll have 3 by 3 system, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 0, 1, lambda. 3 columns means we have to take 3 variables, and 3 equations means we have to take 3 zeros as a column vector in the right hand side. Has a unique solution. Unique solution homogeneous system चा trivial असता, has a unique solution. Has the म्हणायला पाहिजे actually, because in solution in is the, has the unique solution. And B, more than one solution means infinite solution. More than one solution means infinite solutions there. So 3 students remains to mark attendance. Write the matrix already given in matrix form. So I will write matrix here. What is A? A is minus 1, 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 0, 1, and lambda. Lambda is any real number here. And try to convert this matrix into row column form. So in the first row, first non-zero entry has to be 1. So what is first non-zero entry here? It is minus 1. But we can make it 1 by multiplying minus 1 to first row. So row equivalent matrix or just equivalent matrix, we are going to multiply this. So when you are going to change first row, don't apply the second row, third row operation by using first row. So do operation first on first row and then second and third. So here you get minus 1, here you get minus 2, minus 1. And as we are not performing any operations here, they will remain same. Okay. Now next, third row is 0 already, so no need to make 0. So we get leading one, that is x is leading variable here. Now we have to find second leading variable, but before that we have to make below that one everyone 0. So second row is subtracted. So second row changes as second row minus 3 times first row. And we don't want to change anything in the third row at this step because the third row and first column entry is 0 already. So we are doing these operations to perform minus, we are going to perform 0 below that leading one. So there is no change in the third row, but what are the changes in the second row? You tell me. So 3 minus 3, I write in 0. So minus 1 minus
5 येते.
5 येते का? 3 plus 2, 5. And what is next? 2, 5 येते का ते पण? आपण काय करतोय? Second row is multiplied by minus
-1 आहे.
-1 नाही 5 येते हा होते. पहिलं बघा काय बरोबर आले लिहिले की ते. आपण काय करतोय? सेकंड रो याला -3 ने म्हणजे +5 येते. या ठिकाणी 4 येणार आहे. चेक दिस. चेक somebody. ह्या चेक करा एंट्री काय येते. काय येते ही एंट्री? आपण काय करतोय? हा -1 ना. -1 मध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचंय? -3 times first row. So -3 into -5 +5 -1 काय येईल? 4 येईल. आले का बरोबर? Speak
हो,
unmute. ठीक आहे. Now we have to make, don't exchange it because lambda is the decider here. So we cannot take lambda above because lambda we have to decide. So you have only one options here to divide by 4. हा बोला.
सर 5 येईल ना तिथं.
5 कसे मी पुन्हा
-5 येते.
पण थांबा मी आता हे काय आहे?
5 येते सर. 5
तर
येते.
5 होतंय.
हा इथं हा -1 आहे.
-3 -2 -6 येते +6 सर.
हा -1 आहे ना.
-1.
R2 मध्ये एंट्री काय -1 आहे. हा बरोबर.
+5 आता.
हो सर.
आणि +5 काय झालंय? -1 +5.
सर इथं 3 2 चा 6
+6 येते सर.
3 2 चा 6
-3 into -2 आहे सर.
R2 ची एंट्री R2 मध्ये हा 3 -3 केला आपण. 3 -3 केलं. इथं -1 आहे ना. -1 +5 काय येईल? 5 -1 थोडक्यात. बरोबर आहे 4. आपण -2 ला -3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतोय ना.
सर -3 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय -2 आहे ना.
हा मग तसं असेल तर इथं प्लस घ्यावं लागेल मला. आता सांग.
+6.
हा 3 दुने 6. हा अच्छा हा सॉरी हे +6 ते म्हणताय का? सॉरी. आणि मग ते 5 येत आहे. बरोबर आहे तुमचं.
5 येते सर.
हा ठीक आहे. मी गुणाकार करण्याऐवजी 3 आणि 2 बेरीज करत होतो वाटतं प्रत्येक. होत आहे असं कधी कधी. मग आता सोपं झालं ते काय आपण 4 काय येणार नाही. आपण instead of dividing 4 we'll divide 5. So 1 -2 -1 0 1 1 0 1 lambda. Now y is also leading variable, x is also leading variable. I'm making circle. Second, keep in mind that first column is for first variable, second column is for second variable, and we have to keep the leading variables accounting. In which column that leading variable occurs, corresponding variable is the leading variable. That variable we did not to fix to find complete solution. So now I am subtracting third row from second row to make below 0. Don't use first row here, otherwise whatever you made 0 that will changing. So 1 -1 0, and here I get lambda -1. Okay, here is the end of this problem. These two are leading one. Means x and y are leading variable and z is the free variable. You can see z is the free variable. It depends. If lambda minus 1, the rank of A is 3 if and only if. सांगा केव्हा असेल? जर lambda minus 1 not equal to 0 असेल तेव्हाच. म्हणजे lambda equal to 1. That is system Ax equal to 0 has unique solution only if lambda not equal to 1. Not equal to 1 I should write. मग लॅम्बडा नॉट इक्वल टू 1 असेल तर याने आपण डिवाइड करून लीडिंग 1 आणणार म्हणजे तिन्ही व्हेरिएबल लीडिंग आहे आणि सोल्युशन काय असेल ट्रिव्हियल असेल. अँड सोल्युशन इज x इक्वल टू 0, y इक्वल टू 0, z इक्वल टू 0. ट्रिव्हियल सोल्युशन होमोजेनियस सिस्टम मध्ये. आणि नसेल ट्रिव्हियल तरी तुम्ही सोडू शकता. z इक्वल टू 0 आलं तर वरती पुट केलं तर y इक्वल टू 0 येतं आणि y आणि z पुट केलं तर x 0 येते. सबस्टिट्यूट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला लक्षात येईल. म्हणजे आपल्याला क्वेश्चन काय विचारला लॅम्बडाच्या कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूसाठी युनिक सोल्युशन आहे तर लॅम्बडा 1 सोडून काही घ्या. लॅम्बडा हा 1 सोडून काही घ्या त्याला काय आहे युनिक सोल्युशन आहे ते ट्रिव्हियल सोल्युशन आहे. पण लॅम्बडा इक्वल टू 1 घेतलं तर युनिक सोल्युशन राहणार नाही. The rank of A is 2 if and only if lambda minus 1 is 0. That is lambda is 1. Sorry, lambda is 1. So for lambda equal to 1, x equal to 0 has more than one solution. And system becomes आता इक्वेशन लिहायचं आपल्याला सिस्टीम मध्ये काय x minus y x minus 2y minus z equal to 0 x minus 2y minus z equal to 0 आणि दुसरं इक्वेशन काय येईल 0x y plus z equal to 0 आणि तिसरं इक्वेशन 0 equal to 0 आहे ते लिहायचं नाही. आता लीडिंग व्हेरिएबल कोण आहेत हे फर्स्ट कॉलम हा x साठी असतो हा y साठी हा z साठी. सो लीडिंग 1 ज्या कॉलम मध्ये ते व्हेरिएबल लीडिंग असतात म्हणजे हा z तुम्हाला फिक्स करायचा असाइन करायचा. z ची व्हॅल्यू असाइन करा आणि सोल्युशन फाइंड करा. सो पुट फिक्स z इक्वल टू t म्हणा किंवा a म्हणा काय पण म्हणा तुम्हाला चॉईस आहे. ऑप्शन मध्ये पाहायचं काय दिलंय ऍज ए रियल नंबर. सो व्हॉट इज y इज मायनस a and what is x then it is 2i plus z म्हणजेच 2a आता y ची किंमत ठेवावी लागेल ना minus 2a y is minus a ठेवला तर आणि z आपण a ठेवला तर हा काय येतो minus a. So I will write x equal to minus a, y is minus a and z equal to a. This is the solution where a is real number is general solution which gives infinite solution for infinite values of a. आणि आपलं सोल्युशन्स बरोबर आलं की नाही आपण ते तपासू शकतो. आपल्याला माहिती काय क्रायटेरिया सोल्युशन्स चेक करायचे बरोबर आहेत नाही ते व्हॅल्यू पुट करून पाहिजे किंवा मॅट्रिक्स आपल्याला माहिती काय होता मॅट्रिक्स तो त्या मॅट्रिक्सला ह्या सोल्युशनने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि हे जर इक्वल टू 0 0 आलं तर आपलं सोल्युशन बरोबर म्हणायचं. तर पहिले इक्वेशन्स ठीक आहे मी इथूनच लिहितो. पहिले इक्वेशन्स काय होतं आठवते तुम्हाला पहिले इक्वेशन आहे -1 2 1 -1 2 1 म्हणजे ह्या तिघांची बेरीज 0 येते फडक्यात. दुसरं इक्वेशन आहे 3 -1 2 3 -1 2 आणि तिसरं इक्वेशन आहे 0 1 आणि लॅम्बडाची किंमत आपण 1 घेतलेली आहे. लॅम्बडाची किंमत आपण 1 घेतलेली लॅम्बडा इक्वल टू 1 साठी काढतोय. काय येतं कॅल्क्युलेशन्स बघा आहे आता हा आहे -1 × -a प्लस a पुढे काय 2 - 2a आणि पुन्हा a म्हणजे हे झालं 0. नेक्स्ट -3a प्लस a प्लस 2a हा पण झाला 0. इथं 0 × -a म्हणजे 0च होईल 1 × -a -a आणि 1 × +a म्हणजे हे बघा. तर a हा काही असा आहे तुम्ही 1 घ्या 2 घ्या 3 घ्या a हॅज व्हेरी चॉईसेस. जसे जेवढे रिअल नंबर आहे तेवढे चॉईसेस आणि आपण सांगू शकता रिअल नंबर हे अनकाउंटेबल्स आहेत म्हणजे इनफायनाइट आहेत. सो इन दिस वे दिस हॅज infinitely many solutions for lambda equal to 1 and it has the only solutions. There is no non-trivial solutions. It has trivial solution. For the homogeneous system of equations, the solution is unique means we have only trivial solution. So trivial solution केव्हा असेल आपण इथे इक्वेशन लिहून पाहूयात. आता हे लॅम्बडा नॉट इक्वल टू 0 असेल ना, लॅम्बडा नॉट म्हणजे ही व्हॅल्यू जर 0 नसेल, दिस टर्म इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स वी कॅन डिवाइड बाय दिस टर्म अँड विल हॅव इक्वेशन. इथं 1 आणू शकतो आपण इक्वेलंट मध्ये. इक्वेशन काय येतील, x minus 2y minus z equal to 0. दुसरं इक्वेशन काय येईल, y plus z equal to 0. आणि तिसरं जे इक्वेशन आहे आपण याने आपण डिवाइड करून इक्वेलंट फॉर्म मध्ये करताना हा नॉन झिरो असेल तर आपण डिवाइड करू शकतो, म्हणजे तो 1 येऊ शकतो. तर हा 1 आला असं समजून आपण या ठिकाणी z equal to 0 लिहितो. हा z equal to 0 आला इथं पुट केला तर आपल्याला काय मिळतंय, y equal to 0. y आणि z इथं पुट केलं तर आपल्याला मिळतं x equal to 0. म्हणजे हे ट्रिवियल सोल्युशन, हे एकमेव सोल्युशन आहे होमोजेनियस सिस्टम इक्वेशनचं. दुसरं 0 सोडून इथं सोल्युशन नाहीये. तसं इथं नॉन ट्रिवियल सोल्युशन म्हणजे काय, इथं a ची किंमत 0 घेतली तर 0 सोल्युशन आहेच आहे. पण तुम्ही a equal to 1 घेतला, a equal to -1 घेतला, असे किती पण a ची किमती येतात, ते सर्व सोल्युशन्स आणि आपण ते चेक केलं या ठिकाणी कसे सोल्युशन्स. सो इन दिस वे the system of homogeneous equation is always consistent. It has unique solutions if the rank of that coefficient matrix and variable number matches. And if rank of the coefficient matrix is less than the number of variables, then system has infinitely many solutions. It also called as there are more than one solutions. So this concludes the topic, the system of homogeneous equations.